Hello everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Facebook Marketing Software. Today, I'll introduce you to the feature that allows you to automatically post to a large number of Facebook groups. With this feature, you can advertise and spread product information across every corner of Facebook. To automatically post content on Facebook, you'll need the content and the UID of the groups. You can use the MKT UID software to extract the group UIDs. Simply enter the group's keyword and the number of groups you want to scrape, and the software will handle it for you. Once the scraping is complete, you can export an Excel file and copy the UID column. After obtaining the group UIDs, return to the MKT Care software and paste the UIDs into the file. Don't forget to either select existing content or add new content in the content management section. Finally, choose the Facebook account to post with and click the Start button to begin. If you find this feature interesting and want to purchase the software license, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp, and I'll provide you with detailed advice. Don't forget to leave your comments below and subscribe to the channel to get notifications for the latest videos.